Welcome back, history enthusiasts. Today we embark on an intriguing journey through time to uncover the fascinating saga behind an everyday item that has revolutionized modern life: the plastic bag. Prepare to delve deep into its origins, evolution, and impact on society and the environment. Our story begins in the early 20th century, amidst a backdrop of innovation and industrialization. It was in 1902 that Swedish engineer Sten Gustaf Thulin first patented a method for producing paper from a pulp of cellulose fibers derived from wood, cotton, or silk. But it wasn't until the 1950s that the modern plastic bag truly began to take shape. Enter Danish company Celloplast, which pioneered the mass production of polyethylene bags. These bags, made from polyethylene, a polymer derived from ethylene gas, offered unmatched durability, flexibility, and affordability. Let's now dive into the intricate process of manufacturing plastic bags. It all starts with the raw material, polyethylene. Derived from either natural gas or petroleum, polyethylene undergoes a complex process called polymerization. During this process, ethylene gas molecules are subjected to heat and pressure, causing them to bond together, forming long chains of polymer molecules. Once polymerization is complete, the polyethylene is fed into an extruder, a sophisticated machine that heats the plastic and shapes it into a continuous tube. This tube is then flattened and cooled, resulting in a thin sheet of plastic ready for the next phase of production. Now comes the customization phase. The plastic sheet is passed through a printing press, where it's adorned with various designs, logos, or information. Once printed, the sheet is precisely cut into individual bags of the desired size and shape. And there you have it, the final product. But our exploration doesn't end here. We must confront the stark reality of the environmental impact associated with plastic bags. Despite their convenience, plastic bags have become emblematic of the global plastic pollution crisis. They litter our landscapes, clog our waterways, and endanger marine life. However, there's hope on the horizon. Communities worldwide are increasingly adopting measures to address this pressing issue. From implementing bans on single-use plastic bags to promoting reusable alternatives and advocating for improved recycling infrastructure. As we conclude our journey through the intricate history of plastic bags, let us remember that every choice we make has consequences. The journey through the history of plastic bag production unveils a tale of innovation, convenience, and unintended consequences. From the inception of polyethylene to the mass production of plastic bags, we witness the transformative power of human ingenuity. However, as we marvel at the versatility of this invention, we must also confront its environmental impact. Plastic pollution has become a pressing global issue, reminding us of the imperative to rethink our consumption habits and embrace sustainable alternatives. As we reflect on the history of plastic bags, let us also contemplate their future. Can we innovate and adopt more sustainable alternatives? Only time will tell. If you enjoyed this video, please check out our other bingeable channels. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.